Hey y'all, welcome to the Get Ready With Me for my 8th grade prom. If you want to see how my mom beat my face, keep watching.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing my daughter's makeup for her 8th grade prom. Yes, girl, time is flying and I'm not okay. But yes, I am. But that's not what this video is really about. While I'm doing her face, I want to talk to you. I want to encourage my girls, no matter your age, your background, your skill level, about makeup. This is about makeup, confidence, and choosing what feels right for you. Now listen, makeup is a choice, not a mask. It's not a requirement, it's art. It's self-care, it's creative expression, it's confidence in a compact. That's what it is. If you want to wear it proudly. If you want to learn how, you're never too late to start, okay? I know there's a lot of negativity out there. People say, oh, you don't need that, or you're hiding behind makeup. But let's be real. Confidence looks different on everyone. For some of us, it starts with a little concealer, gloss, and it's nothing wrong with that. A little eyeliner. If you've ever felt embarrassed to ask someone how to apply foundation or blend eyeshadow, I'm here to tell you there is no shame in learning. No shame in being a beginner, no matter your age. We all started somewhere. Even some of those best makeup artists, you know, some of your girls that you follow on Instagram, the ones who do the makeup, they all had to start somewhere and they had to figure out how to match their shade, how to use a beauty blender the right way, all that good stuff. So don't let the fear of messing up stop you from playing, practicing, and just straight up enjoying it. Makeup is supposed to be fun, okay? And it's okay if your wing liner turns out like cousins because they're not twins. Y'all got that? Even your eyebrows. Cousins, not twins. Trust me, it happens to the best of us. I've heard some women, just people, say things like, I don't have the face for makeup, or too old to start now. Baby, no, you're not. You are exactly who you are. You have the exact face for it. You're not too old, too plain. You're not too dark. You're not too light. You're not too anything, okay? Just get that out of your head. You are just right, exactly how you are. Makeup doesn't take away from your natural beauty. It enhances it. Remember that. You're enhancing your natural beauty. It's not about impressing anyone else. It's about how you feel when you look in the mirror. That moment when you see yourself with that face beat, baby, you smiling, that's what it's all about. So right now, I'm just blending her eyeshadow, applying it, keeping it soft and sweet for her age. And for anyone out there wanting to learn, just remember, blending is your best friend. Everything has to be blended to perfection. No signs of demarcation, okay? Take your time with it. And another thing, remember this. Don't compare yourself to what you see online. Don't compare your makeup application. What works on one person might not work for you, and that's okay. That goes along with everything else. Makeup is personal. It's your personal style. It's what you like. Everyone does not like the same makeup application. Take what inspires you and make it yours. That's how you build your confidence. Just own your look, but do it your way. We all know confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, and showing up no matter what. You don't have to know everything. You have to be willing to try. Every time you pick up your brush, you're building your skills and your self-esteem. So if you're waiting for a sign to start practicing, I'm telling you, do it now. You've been wanting to try that red lip? Try it now. You want to learn how to highlight and contour? Do it. Whatever it is, do it, but do it for you. You deserve to feel good about yourself. And let me tell you something. When people see you, don't apologize for it. Okay? Do not. Look, I got a little lost in the sauce, but here I'm highlighting, y'all. This was so hard because I was trying my hardest to keep my baby looking like that sweet, innocent 8th grader. You know how it is, but I don't know how to do that soft makeup, that soft look. I can do a no makeup look, but you are still beat to the gods, you know? So I just went ahead and I kept it as soft as I could, but I just went with it. So here I'm applying her foundation, and I don't even want to start telling y'all word for word what I'm doing. I want to get back to what I was talking to y'all about. But look at her, y'all. She's looking so good. She's looking so good. Okay. So whether you're just starting out, let's get back to that. Whether you're just starting out or you're getting back into it, I don't know where you are in your makeup journey. I don't know how you're feeling, but don't let anyone make you feel less than for choosing to love on yourself. You got this. And me, I am cheering for you. The enhancer is cheering for you, okay? That's the message that I want to leave y'all with today. Makeup isn't about looking like someone else. It's about celebrating who you really are. Being that girl. So let me get to the makeup application. Now that I'm here, I'm highlighting Khloe's face. And what I do after I highlight, I take that foundation brush and I just make sure I go over every area where I may see where the highlight starts and stop, and just blend it. I don't add any extra product. I just blend it out. So now once you highlight, immediately after you highlight, you set with the setting powder. And you know what? My goal when I first started this video, I said I wasn't going to go through and tell y'all everything. But what I want y'all to do, let me say, if you want a full video of me doing my own makeup or me doing someone else's, let me know in the comments what you would like to see. But I would like to apply the makeup, and then I can actually tell you all the tips, tricks, and everything and why you do it. I think I have some makeup videos like that, but this is more of an updated one. But look, let me just tell y'all this real quick. What I'm doing here, I am using MAC's mineralized skin finish in dark deep. And what I'm doing, I'm bronzing her face with this first. Then what I'm using here, I am applying Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mommy, and I'm actually bronzing and contouring at the same time. I went back in. This bronzer is a little bit deeper than the dark deep mineralized skin finish. And I did that because I love, even though we are melanated women, we can still be bronzed. I don't know if y'all know that, but we can still be bronzed, and I love a bronzy finish. But y'all, look at my baby. My baby is all glammed up and ready for her 8th grade prom. So now I'm just kind of finishing up, touching up, and carving out her cheekbones here with the setting powder. And this is actually my favorite setting powder, but I do want to try Laura Mercier. I think it's the she has different tones now, but I definitely want to try that setting powder because I've always heard so many good things about it. But now I am putting that color, that black, in her waterline. And honey, look, I wanted to use my favorite MAC blush, but she wanted to use this blush. This is her blush and it's her favorite. So I said, look, girl, whatever you want to do. And now we setting it, we melting it all together, honey, all them powders. This is what give you that flawless finish. And honey, where them things at? Where them things at? All right. Now I'm also spraying a little. This is the NYX matte finish.
Voila. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time she posts a new video. And yeah, I'm ready for
gotta have bricks. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I make hits, but I still take some.
Always sleep alone. I ain't saying that I